my YouTube channel. So today here is another Telegram airdrop that pays you money just to refer people. So I'll be showing you how you can get people. That one is a small thing to get people online. So it's very simple. So I'll be showing you this website here to get people to this Telegram airdrop to earn money. So per person you refer in this airdrop, you are earning 0.05. So this is it. Can you see the people I refer? So this is it here. You are earning 0.05 per referral, and right here, what you have to do is to copy your referral link. So when you copy your referral link, I'll take you to this website. So this is my balance here. I've earned 0.16 ton. So and this is it here. So right here again, this is my balance here. I've earned 0.18 ton. So per referral, you're receiving 0.05 here. So right here, when you sign up, you click these two buttons here. You click refer. So when you click refer, it will bring out your referral code here, your referral link. So you copy it. So when you copy this your referral link, you go to this website here. So you go to your Chrome. So I'm waiting for this website to load. I know why my Chrome is so taking so long. So this is the website here. So this website, you can use it to get people to your Telegram account. So right here, you're going to buy people to this airdrop, because when you buy people here, it's very cheap. So if you buy people, you're earning massive money from it. So this is it here. Can you see I've also deposit to my account? I've deposited about two 200 rupees. So this is it here. This is the money I've spent, and I have zero in my balance. So I'll be showing you how you can deposit to it to get more people. So right here, what you have to do right here is click on the top up button. So when you click on the top up button, you set the wallet you want to use to deposit. Either you use Paye. For those of you that is Paye is available in your country, you can use Paye to deposit. From Paye is from 100 rupees. That's about $1. So and right here again, you can also use USDT. If you want to use USDT is from 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. That's about $10. And if you are using TRS, that's 100 rupees also. That's $1. So right here, you can also use TRS. You click on the TRS button here because it's the smaller one that we can use. So when you click on the TRS, so you set the amount of 100 rupees and you click on go to payment. So I'm showing you how you can deposit to your wallet. So you guys know how you can deposit to also get referral. So you set the email you want them to send the notification of the money. So you click next. So you set your Gmail. So and this is it in TRS. You are sending 8.3 TRS. This is it up here. So you click on it. So when you click on it, they'll give you this address here. This is the address you are sending 8.345641 TRS to. So that's just it here. If you send the money, when you send the TRS to this account, so it will appear in your balance up here. So once you deposit, so you go to this add tax down here. You click add here. So when you click on this add, you go to customize tax. So you make sure you follow this step. You make sure you follow this video step by step to know how you can get your referral. So you set the airdrop name here. So you can also set any names. So you can set any name here. So and you pick the amount you want to pay them. So let's go up here. You say click website. No, you click this social media right here. So you are giving one person 0.50 rupees. So you click here. So this is it here. So you are setting your referral link right here. So you copy your referral link, you paste it. So you tell them what to do. So you write send me screenshot of your referral link. So you write this thing right here. You tell them what to do. Okay, no. You tell them what to do by writing as so you right click on the link and join, answer all questions. So this is it here. So when you set the time you want them to finish this airdrop, you want them to finish it, so you set like 5 minutes because you take them up to 5 minutes because that's the smallest time there. So you tell them what to send to you. So you just write send me screenshot of your referral link. So this is it here. So when they sign up, it will show the what their referral link. That means it means they already signed up to this airdrop. So and you also check your telegram airdrop, so you check if they have signed up. You also will get them paid. This is 0.50, so this is the amount you are paying them. So and right here when you set all those, so this is it here. So when you set this balance here, so you click on create tax. So the tax has been created, so you click on the go to list. So this is the tax you just create. So this is the tax you just create right now. So you click on this. You click on this top up button here. So you top up your rupees you deposit. So when you deposit 100 rupees, so when you deposit 100 rupees, so you'll be getting 153 people are going to sign up. So you click on top up. So when you click on top up balance, so your money will appear in this your balance right here. When your money appeared here, sorry, so you click on launch. You click on this launch here. So when you click on the launch, so the thing will start what playing and people will start signing up. So when you get people to sign up, you go back to this airdrop. So you go back to this airdrop here, and to withdraw your money you click on this dashboard. So when you click on this dashboard, you click on withdraw. So the minimum amount is from 0.50 ton, as simple as that. So when you click on the withdraw, it will bring out where you are going to paste your ton address. So you paste your ton address and you withdraw your money. So it's as simple as that. So you make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So thanks for watching.